31,000. Exercise. Come on now, let's go roller skate. We need to read your book now. You wanna go read your book? What's the name of your horse? What's the name of your horse, anak? Oo, Chay. Momo. May Momo. What's the name of your horse? No name?
Yes, I know. And then we winning.
Jeff!
Give me. Okay, me?
About roller skate. Oh,
What the Sigma? Oh, that we can do it.
come on na, roller skate. 33,000 na tayo. Really, Jade? Privacy? And then that's what you show? Yeah. Whoa! Is that you're gonna hurt yourself there? Come on. Yeah, there you go. You don't wanna hurt yourself. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, go.
Jane, I see you in recess.
Oh yeah, she didn't see. You see her on recess? Her favorite.
And Jim?
No, I see you in recess.
Mother recess daw. Mother sa recess daw si Julene.
No, it's not.
I see you. I take the lead. No, come here. You're not leaving. I'm coming. Take it.
Because I was cold.
Come on, Jilana. There's nothing in his belly. Did you read your book now? Go read your book. No, Julene. Jade is done reading her book. You're not reading? Okay, so that's good then. If you don't read then, you're going to sleep early. 36,000 na tayo.
By the way, so I got some entries for the I already things and I put it in the favorite kit in my room.
Oh, nice. Ano ba itong pinaglalaro ni Jilana? Busy na naman. Diyos.
I will. I put it on a project.
Oo. Nak, mahal kita.
No, I do. She likes me only.
Mahal kita. Mahal kita. Yeah, mahal kita. Love you. Salamat po. Say salamat po. Salamat. Say salamat po. Say salamat po. Ayan, 6:30 na tayo. Aba, sana umabot nga yan. O, sana umabot ng 1,000 yan. Hindi, nawala. Ate Dong is playing for you. Be careful.